the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable.
Thank you for joining us once again for another exciting edition of the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable. That's me. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen in internet land and boys and girls of all ages, we are going to make what I would like to call breakfast for dinner in several parts. But this is only going to be one installment. I've taken the liberty of making everything ready, so there's nothing to worry about, and we should be good to go. So, on this plate here, in Italiano, we've got bagels in a pan, heating up nicely. As you can see, they've had some butter, and they're going to cook along, as you would, say, for example, at a place called Coney Island, or places familiar with the East Coast, like, say, for example, Philadelphia or Long Island. Heated up nicely. Ooh, nice. Golden brown. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm here to tell you. Then we're going to add some more butter. Very carefully. Don't scald yourself or splatter. And always, 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 always be on the lookout for children and pets, mind you. Don't forget your pets. If the dog came into the room and got a splatter of oil, it may not like it. Right, moving right along, we've got some eggs. And we've got our rubber thing to scrape out the remains. And we're going to let that level out for a moment. Once again, when you make scrambled eggs, you want them to fold over the top of themselves. In this particular scenario, we're going to do something similar. You pull it back, let the egg fall back over itself, and vice versa. Vice grip, even versa. And they're cooking along nicely. We want to add a little salt, a little pepper. Some people like garlic and things like that in their eggs. This is going to be a straight preparation with our bagels. Then we're going to have it a flip, provided of course we can do it safely. And that was not exactly a flip, but it'll work. Ha ha, must find the good in every situation. Here. So, that is on the flip. We've got some cheese here, a little bit of cheddar. I believe it's, what is it, Asiago or perhaps Fontino. One of those Tinas. Fold it back over itself because this is going to be a sandwich preparation. Come on, work with me here. Difficult when eggs don't want to work with you, you know. And mind you, when you're cooking eggs or meat, you want to be as thoroughly cooked as possible. I, on the other hand, prefer it slightly burnt. Hopefully it won't be so burnt, but burnt enough. So, meanwhile, we're going to turn that off and come back over here and show you the assembly process. We've got some sausages. There's 3 of them. You may use 3, 4, whatever you'd like. Then we've got some bacon. Pork, bacon. For those of you that don't eat meat, sorry. And we're going to put approximately 6 slices. This is an entire package of bacon cut precisely in half. These guys will be saved for perhaps a bacon cheeseburger. Nice. Then, when that's all good, then you put your egg over the top of the bacon and sausage components. Bringing that to the side and out of the way so you can see. There we go. Look at that. And yes, I quite agree. The best thing about this is that I'm going to eat it. Yes. Thank you for tuning in once again for another exciting edition of the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable. As usual, please be safe. God bless you. Godspeed. Peace be to you. Special shout out to the Vonderveer Breaks. Spencer Vonderveer. Oh, yes. Enrico Caravino. You know who you are, darling. And of course, Miss Laura from the SSI. And a hearty shout out to all of you out there in internet land. God bless you once again.
The ever capable and always culpable. Constable, Finstable.